Okay, Motor Car Nut here. Today's video, we're talking about the late model BMWs. This happens to be a 2013 5 Series. If your battery goes dead, there's very few places you can put your key in order to access the battery or the trunk. Let's say the trunk. The trunk is locked. All right, there's three ways you can do it. Okay, the first way, let's say you have the older one, maybe a 2009. You look around this area, and under here, there may be a slot for the mechanical key portion of your key fob. If it looks like this, okay, there's a little button over here, right? You press that button and the key slides out, okay? Now, if you're lucky enough to have that in the back trunk somewhere, you'll find out where it can go. Sometimes it's on an angle, like I said. Sometimes it's like in this position over here. Maybe it could be underneath the emblem. Somewhere in this area. All right, but this is 2010 and newer. And this goes for a lot of the BMWs that are all electronic. It's still going to have one for the door to open it. Okay? But not for the trunk. If that trunk is locked and the battery is dead, all right, that's the first way. Okay, let's say now you don't have the key fob. It's all electronic like this one. What do? Okay, you can open the door with the mechanical key here, lift up this lever, open this door, okay? And in the middle of the seat over here, you pull this down, I'll put the light on, you open this up, and you can see in there, let me put the light in there. You see that little lever right there, the yellow lever? You pull that, the trunk pops open. Okay, that's the second way to do it. All right, the third way to do it, let's say that trunk is packed. You have all suitcases in there, there's no way you can get back there. All right, so what do? Okay, now this applies if the battery is dead, even if the battery is not even in the car. What you do? You open the trunk. Obviously, the battery, everything is working in this car. But if yours is not, that's how you do it. I'll show you. So, once you go here, you lift up the hood. And you look in the area, you'll see a red terminal right here. It usually has a cap on it. You open it up, it may be in a different location. If it's at 1 Series, 3 Series, 5 Series, X Series, doesn't matter. This is the positive, okay? Then you look around, here's a negative terminal lug. And what you basically do, you get your jumper cable, like these, okay? Red goes to the red one, black goes to the ground. Make sure the other side is not touching. And you can put this to a battery, let's say like this battery over here. Red goes to negative. Positive is red. The negative is black. You put positive first. You put negative. You use your key fob. Trunk pops right open. There doesn't even have to be a battery in the back. Okay? That's the third. That's probably the easiest, but a lot of people don't have jumper cables. And let's say if you can't go to the rear seat, that's your last option. Okay? And then it'll pop right open. Simple as that. All right, guys, Motor Car Nut, please subscribe, hit the like button. Any questions, leave them below pertaining to this video, and I try to answer them as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, guys. Thank you.